Now it's Sunday morning. Start this removing the stockpile using excavator or called the backhoe to cleaning the area and start finishing this excavation. So first, remove the stockpile and then we're planning to finish this excavation. So as you can see now, we are busy now to finishing this project. Structural now start to maybe 30% in the progress today. Big pipe truck now.